Fully automated 3D soft candy production line. Intelligent drive, precise shaping, efficient output. Modular design, flexible configuration. Stable output, consistent quality. Empowered by technology, defining modern confectionery manufacturing. The steam generator produces high-temperature steam to heat the water boiler and sugar pot. In addition to steam heating, the heating method can be changed according to production needs. Boiling water kettle for syrup, insulation of pipelines. The sugar boiler is heated by high-temperature steam in the interlayer. It is used to boil syrup. The syrup is piped into storage and cooling tanks. Glue tank for quick dissolution of gelatin, pectin, etc. The gelatin solution is piped to cooling tank and mixed with the cooled sugar solution. The mixed syrup in the cooling tank enters the storage tank. Storage tanks are used to store syrup and keep it at a constant temperature to prevent solidification. Storage tanks are used to store syrup and keep it at a constant temperature to prevent solidification. The syrup is piped into the mixing tank. The fully automatic casting machine is efficient and accurate, and is an intelligent, candy 3D printer that can accurately produce complex three-dimensional shapes. The oil spray system sprays oil to create a uniform oil film on the mold, preventing the candy from sticking to the mold. After oil injection, the mold enters the primary pouring section. Color jars for candy coloring. After the initial pouring, the temperature is lowered and cooled to achieve surface shaping, which provides the basis for subsequent processes. Secondary pouring adds different colors to candies. Filling injection adds a layer of flavor to candy. After pouring, the soft candy is cooled again, and the cooling molding is convenient for subsequent separation from the mold. After cooling, the mold opens, and the candies naturally fall out. A blower separates any remaining candies from the mold to prevent disruption to production. The candies are conveyed into the drum seasoning machine. The elevator lifts the powdered sugar to the hopper of the drum seasoning machine. Powdered sugar and candy are evenly mixed in the drum to prevent sticking and improve taste and appearance. Finished candies enter the Z-type elevator, which transports them smoothly and gently, protecting the appearance of the products. 10 head scales ensure precise control to ensure consistent weight and quantity of products. Fully automatic packaging machine for efficient and stable packaging. The packaged finished products enter the manual packing section to ensure the perfect appearance and quality of the goods. We focus on customizing a complete production solution for you. This is not only a technological innovation, but also a redefinition of the sweet experience. Welcome to Inquire and create a sweet business together.